Welcome to Weekly News Brief. We'll be looking at the massive $6.5 billion fraud takedown, the FDA's new Operation TrialBlazer, the EU's Pharma legislative overhaul, the Supreme Court's skinny label ruling, and the crackdown on the peptide gray market. Let's dive in. Number 1. The 2026 National Healthcare Fraud Takedown. The U.S. Department of Justice just announced a staggering $6.5 billion enforcement action targeting healthcare fraud. Central to this sweep is the new National Fraud Enforcement Division, which used advanced data analytics to uncover a $4 billion scheme involving medically unnecessary amniotic wound grafts. This is a loud signal. The era of looking for needles is over. The government is now using whole-of-government data hubs to find spikes in billing instantly. Audit your data as aggressively as the DOJ does. Next up, the FDA launches Operation TrialBlazer. In a move to reclaim U.S. leadership in drug development, the FDA has unveiled a plan to slash clinical trial timelines by 50%. This includes a new expedited IND pilot and a formal shift toward AI-powered models and human organ-on-a-chip systems to replace traditional animal testing. This matters because the two pivotal trial standard is dissolving. Regulatory teams must now prepare for a world where one rigorous trial plus confirmatory evidence is the new default for approval. It's time to modernize your R&D compliance framework. Moving to number 3. The EU finalizes its massive pharma package. The European Union is entering the final stages of its biggest regulatory overhaul in 20 years. The new law pivots from simple incentives to enforceable access obligations, requiring companies to launch in all member states to retain full data protection, while mandating shortage prevention plans for every product. This represents a structural shift in the EU market. Compliance teams must now integrate supply chain resilience and multi-state launch strategies directly into their regulatory filings. Ignoring these access mandates could cost you a full year of market protection. Number 4. A landmark Supreme Court ruling and a major kickback settlement. The Supreme Court has clarified the skinny label rules, giving generics a clearer path to launch while avoiding patent infringement. Meanwhile, Takeda settled for over $13 million regarding a speaker program that the DOJ labeled as a thinly veiled kickback scheme for high prescribers. These cases reinforce that promotional guardrails are not optional. Whether it's strict adherence to carve-out rules or monitoring meal expenses at speaker events, enforcement is zeroing in on intent. Always verify that your marketing activities have a genuine educational purpose. Final news. The FDA targets the peptide gray market. The FDA is setting the stage for a major crackdown on the gray market of injectable peptides sold via social media. Regulators are preparing to debate whether these substances meet the standards for compounding amid rising concerns about unregulated miracle drugs bypassing clinical trials. This is a precedent-setting moment for how the FDA manages wellness and anti-aging trends. For companies in the compounding space, the best practice is clear. Prioritize robust safety data and quality controls now, before the regulatory hammer falls this summer. That's your news for today. Don't forget to subscribe to GRC Times for alerts on best practices and regulatory updates. We'll see you in the next one.